In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your profile link to your TikTok bio. We're keeping this simple and clear. By the end, you'll have your profile URL copied from the platform you want to share and placed neatly in your TikTok bio so your audience can reach you in one tap. First, open the site or app where your profile lives. Look for the profile icon, usually a small avatar or your photo, often found at the top right or bottom navigation. Click the profile icon to go straight to your profile page. This ensures you're not copying a homepage or a feed link, but the exact page that shows your public information. Once you're on your profile, copy the URL. On a computer, that's the address you see in the browser's address bar. Highlight the full link and copy it. On mobile, you can share or copy the link from the browser's share menu. A quick tip, make sure it's the public version of your profile so visitors don't hit a login wall. If the link looks unusually long with extra characters, it's often fine, but you can remove obvious tracking bits after a question mark if you know what you're doing. The simplest approach is to copy exactly what appears in the address bar. Now, head over to your TikTok, open the app or the web version, and navigate to your profile. You'll see the area where your bio text goes. This is the short description that appears beneath your name and photo. Click on the bio field to make it editable. Paste the URL you just copied into the bio. It's best to include the full link starting with HTTPS so it's clear and recognizable. If you want, you can add a short lead in like "see more here" or a brief descriptor next to the link so viewers know what they're tapping on. Keep an eye on the character limit so your link and message fit cleanly. If your URL is very long, consider keeping just the essential part so it stays tidy and readable. After the link is in place, take a quick look to confirm it's correct. No missing letters, no extra spaces at the beginning or end. You can preview your profile to make sure the bio looks the way you want and that the link is clearly visible. That's it. You clicked your profile icon, opened your profile, copied the URL, went to TikTok, clicked on your bio, and pasted the link. Now your followers have a direct path to your page, helping you drive traffic and grow across platforms.